This is an instructional video on how to fix your GoPro Hero if it won't turn on. See, I can push this and it should start recording. It's not. Then I can do the hard reset, push these in for 10 seconds, and something should turn on. See, nothing's happening, and this is very unusual. Generally it works. So how you fix it is you open up the back door, take this off, and then take your SD card out. And now that this is out, I will be able to put it back in. It'll start right up like a normal GoPro would. I put the SD card back in, so now it'll start. Well, that hard reset didn't work, and I tried plugging it in, so it didn't work either. Here's how you get a GoPro Hero 1 to work if it's not working. What I think happened was, earlier this morning, my computer was rebooting. It had some updates to restore on the computer. So while I was updating, I plugged the GoPro in because it was dead. I wanted to charge it. When I charged it, the GoPro for some reason wouldn't turn on, and I couldn't do a hard reset. I tried taking the SD card out. That wouldn't work either. Turning it on, putting it back in, turning it on again, that wouldn't work. I did a hard reset like I said before. I plugged it in. Nothing that I tried would work. So eventually I just went on the YouTube website, and it said a few things like hard reset, hold the buttons in like 10 seconds, and that didn't work. So I kept reading. Eventually it said to plug it in, and it was really easy once I figured it out. And this could save you, hundreds if you're going to buy a new GoPro, because your GoPro won't turn on. So plug it in. And then I wasn't recording, but basically I just, when I plugged it in, I just pressed this button, and the light blinked twice like it should normally, and then all of a sudden it just started right up, and I had no clue that was going to work. And I was so relieved when it did, because, I didn't have to go buy a new one, because I do make videos a lot. I truly was considering going buying a new one, because, I can't be without not posting YouTube videos, because I do make an income from it a little bit. So I figure it's kind of like a business decision, but I really wanted to get this one to work. So I finally figured it out. So what you do, if nothing else works, like the hard reset or taking the SD card out, try plugging it in and then pressing the power button, and that'll turn it on.